don't know about Mars and Jupiter, but you probably know JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages on planet Earth right now. So let's have a look at some of the reasons why you would want to get a grip on JavaScript in the year 2021. If you just needed one reason to learn JavaScript in 2021, it has to be the fact JavaScript is used in 95% of the websites globally, and that is a staggering number. JavaScript in the earlier days ran in the browser, but now, thanks to JavaScript runtimes like Node, JavaScript is now executed on servers as well as and on any systems which have the JavaScript engine. Yes, you heard it right. It's fully compatible with HTML and CSS, which are the basic languages required for developing web applications, and incorporating JavaScript into the mix gets your web apps lively and dynamic. That makes JavaScript ubiquitous, as all the applications that we run today, either on our laptops, tablets, or smartphones, run on the web in some way or the other. It is supported by all the prominent browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and the best part is JavaScript is enabled by default on all these modern web browsers, guys. An ever-growing list of JavaScript frameworks and libraries, and these are just a few of those. Since the last few years, we have come across legions of libraries and frameworks which build on top of JavaScript, like Angular, Vue, jQuery, React, Express Next, and even runtimes like Node. These tools provide front-end developers with tried and tested mechanisms for building flexible, interactive, and dynamic web apps with ease and comfort. And these are some of the most widely used developer frameworks out there. And that also means all of these have strong community support. And that is, you're never alone when facing issues or challenges. Now, in the world that we live in, the world of full stack development, you can build web applications right from front end to back end, all through JavaScript. A JavaScript developer in 2021 can build entire web applications from the UI to the back end, and that alone makes JavaScript a powerful tool for you to acquire. Absolutely well paid and in demand. Lastly, but not surprisingly, JavaScript developers are in high demand and are richly paid because it's one of the most popular programming languages currently and doesn't seem to be fading anytime soon. So what are you waiting for? Just take up a good tutorial from the vast universe of free and paid resources we have on the internet today. Write a lot of code and get your hands dirty with JavaScript. Ask for help. As I talked before about the great community support JavaScript has, you just have to type in for your queries in your search engine and off you go with thousands of answers your way. Dig deep into concepts, commit and immerse yourself into the learning process. As they say, the best way to learn and master a new programming language is immersion. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more enriching content your way. I'll see you in the next video.